Is power factor relevant for residential consumers? In today's energy-conscious world, the question on many people's minds is whether power factor matters for residential consumers. With rising electricity costs and increasing awareness about energy efficiency, this topic has gained traction recently. Just yesterday, discussions around energy bills sparked interest among homeowners. Many are curious about how power factor might affect their monthly expenses. Power factor is a measure of how effectively electrical power is used by a load. It is defined as the ratio of real power to apparent power in an alternating current circuit. Power factor values range from 0 to 1, with 1 indicating a purely resistive load without any reactive power component. In residential settings, power factor is generally not as important as it is in industrial or commercial environments. Residential loads typically include devices like lamps, televisions, and refrigerators, which usually have a high power factor close to 1. However, some appliances, such as air conditioners and refrigerators, contain induction motors that can lower the power factor due to their inductive nature. The relevance of power factor for residential consumers relates to how utilities might charge for power usage. Some utilities may base charges on apparent power rather than real power, especially if the power factor is low. This can lead to higher electricity bills for consumers with low power factor loads. To improve power factor in residential settings, consumers can use power factor correction devices, such as capacitors. These devices help reduce the reactive power component and improve the overall power factor. However, for most residential consumers, the impact of power factor on electricity bills is minimal. Other factors like energy efficiency and overall energy usage have a more direct effect on costs. While power factor is more relevant in industrial settings, residential consumers should be aware of its potential impact on electricity bills. For those with devices that have low power factors, understanding this concept can be beneficial. However, focusing on energy-efficient appliances and reducing overall energy consumption is more important for most residential consumers.